Welcome to Technolearn Academy. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the order by statement. Order by clause is used to sort the result set of a query based on one or more columns. This is the syntax for the order by clause. In order by clause, we use two options. Either we can sort the data in ascending pattern or we can sort the data in descending. So if you want to sort the data in ascending order, then we use DESC, which is a default sort. Means if we simply write select column from table order by column name and do not provide ASC or DSC options, then the default sort is ASC. And if you want to sort the data in descending pattern, then we can use DESC, which is not default. We have to give the DSC option. Okay, so this is our data set, and what we want to sort this data set on the basis of sale column. We want to sort this data in ascending order on the basis of sale. So this is how our data set will look like once we have sorted the data on the sale column in ascending order. So the command we will use to sort this data set in ascending order will be select asterisk from table name order by sale ASC. We have mentioned the sale column after order by because we want to sort this data set on the basis of the sale column, and we have specified ASC because we want to sort this data in ascending order. And now what we want to sort this data set on the basis of sale column, but now we want to sort this data set in descending order. Leave the data in ascending order, then we use ASC. And now what we want to retrieve the data in descending pattern on the basis of sale column, then we will use DESC. So this is how we can utilize the command to retrieve the data from the database. Okay, so this is our data set and this is our table. Select asterisk from table name. I'll select it and click on execute. We can see the entire table in the result page. What we want to sort this data on the basis of the sale column. So we will write down select asterisk from table name, and now order by. Now we need to give the name of the column on which we want to sort this data. Because we want to sort this data on the basis of sale column, then we will simply type sale. And once the column we have provided, then we need to provide the order. We can use ASC or we can use DESC. Because we want to sort this data in ascending order first, then we will use ASC. Now we will select it and click on execute. And we can see that we have sorted this data in ascending order on the basis of sale column. As we have already discussed that ASC is by default. So if I run the same query and delete this ASC option and simply write down order by sale, still this data will be sorted in ascending order. So column name is mandatory, but we can skip this ASC or DSC option. But the thing we need to keep in mind is that if we do not provide anything here, then definitely the sort will be happen on ASC only, means the data will be sorted in ascending order. Now if we want to sort this data in descending pattern, then simply we can write down DESC and select the statement, execute the command, and now we can see that the data has been sorted in descending pattern on the basis of the sale column. So this is how we can utilize the order by clause to sort the data in ascending or descending order. So this is the single sort. If we want, we can sort the data on multiple columns also. So for example, if you want to sort the data on the basis of region, and within region I want to sort the sale. So simply we will write the same command, and after that we will write on order by region. If I want to sort it in ascending order, then we can simply type ESC, or we can skip this part, comma, sale, and this time also ESC. So what will happen when once I will execute this command, first my region will be sorted because I am using ESC and the region is the tax column. So the data will be ordered in alphabetical order from A to Z, and within region my sale will be sorted from 0 to 9 digit. So we will simply select this statement and we'll click on the execute button, and now you will see, because C is the first letter, so first I am getting all the sale of Canada, minimum to maximum, and now again after C I am getting the sale of Europe, minimum to maximum, and then after Europe USA, and after that. So this is how we can use the multiple options. If you want to reverse the order, simply just type this, and this time I want to sort region in ascending, but I want sale in descending order. Simply write down DESC and select and click on execute button. So simply Canada is the first, but earlier we had the minimum sale at the top. Now we have the maximum sale at the top and the minimum sale at the bottom of the Canada region. So this is how we can use multiple columns in the order by clause also. Hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next session.